The VT Cosmetics Reedle Shot products offer an innovative approach to skincare with 3 strengths: 100, 300, and 700. These unique products utilize VT Cosmetics' patented reedles, otherwise known as spicules, to deliver active ingredients deep into the skin. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of the product, how to use it in your skincare routine, and some important do's and don'ts. The VT Cosmetics Reedle Shot series at the time of recording this video includes Reedle Shot 100, 300, and 700. Each strength varies in intensities using VT Cosmetics' patented reedles technology. Reedles are spicules, derived naturally from sea sponges. They penetrate the top layer of the epidermis, the stratum corneum. This penetration creates microchannels, enhancing the absorption of other products applied afterward. The spicules are coated with active ingredients, allowing for better delivery and effectiveness. These microneedles remain on the skin until they naturally shed along with dead skin cells. The VT Cosmetics Reedle Shot comes in 3 strengths. The Reedle Shot 100 is the mildest option, ideal for beginners to the product or those with sensitive skin. Reedle Shot 300 is a moderate option suitable for most skin types. Reedle Shot 700 is the strongest option, recommended for more experienced users of the Reedle Shot. The key ingredients in the Reedle Shot are cica extract derived from Centella asiatica, which has anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces redness, irritation, and fosters skin healing. Madecassoside fortifies the skin's protective barrier. It aids in repairing damaged skin and promotes overall skin vitality. The next ingredient is propolis extract, which is known for its antibacterial and antioxidant properties. Helps to protect the skin against environmental stresses. It also contributes to maintaining skin elasticity. And hyaluronic acid, a moisture magnet. Hyaluronic acid attracts and locks in water, ensuring optimal hydration levels. Overall, the product is known to improve the skin texture, reduce the appearance of large pores, remove dead skin cells, and enhance the absorption of other serums. So here's how to use the product in your evening skincare routine. Begin by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. Repeat for your second cleanse. Apply your toner, which is optional. Next, apply the Reedle Shot ampule. Apply 2 drops to your face, focusing on areas of concern. Gently press the product into the skin to enhance absorption. It's normal to feel a prickly sensation when applying the Reedle Shot to your skin. This is due to the microneedle technology penetrating the surface layer, which can cause a mild tingling or pricking feeling. After applying the product, follow with your water-based serums and oil-based serums, then your regular moisturizer to lock in hydration. Begin using the Reedle 100 product and slowly build up to Reedle 700. For frequency, this is what is recommended by VT Cosmetics. Firstly, the Reedle Shot 100 can be used every night. However, we would recommend to begin using twice weekly and build up to nightly once you have adjusted to the product. The Reedle Shot 300 can be used every 3 days. And finally, the Reedle Shot 700 to be used once a week. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using the product in your routine. Do a patch test before using it on your face to ensure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. Do use it in the evening. Do use sunscreen during the day to protect your skin from UV damage. Don't use with any other Reedle Shot strength at the same time. Choose one strength. Don't use too much product at once. A few drops are enough to cover your face and neck. Avoid using on broken or wounded skin. Avoid using other exfoliating products at the same time to prevent over-exfoliation and irritation. If you notice your skin has any irritation, you should reduce the frequency of how often you are using the product in your routine. If you are using retinol after the Reedle Shot, keep in mind, some people may experience skin irritation. If this is the case, stop using retinol with the Reedle Shot and use separately on a different night. Have you tried this product? Let us know your results in the comments below. If you want to learn more about Korean skincare, check out our playlist here next.